Hey guys, so welcome back to the next video. Alright, so we've learned margin paddings, how to center items, how to move them below, above, left and right of other elements. And so with that knowledge, I think we can try and build a decent interface. We've learned the basics of the commonly used syntax, the commonly used lines of codes to adjust these elements. Of course, there are more lines and more ways to decorate your elements and change the background and text and colors of things, but you can Google those. But with the current knowledge that we have learned of the common basics, maybe we can try and build a decent looking interface. So let's try. Okay, let's start with the the image. So maybe I want to make the image not in the center, but maybe I want to make the, let me just move the elements so that they make sense. Image on top, button is at the bottom, and the text is below the button. Okay, so maybe I want to make the width of the image, the size of the width of the screen. So I type match parent. So now the image is the width of the screen. Okay, the height maybe I can give it 250 dp. Alright, the button, maybe I can make the button at the bottom of the screen here. So instead of center, I will type bottom. And as you can see, the first one, align parent bottom. Okay, double click that. Click through. Okay, the image followed the button because previously we stated that the image is above the button. So can we just delete this attribute? And yeah. Alright, so the image I don't need to be centered. I want it to be at the top. So I type top. Align parent top. Okay. So now the image at the top, the button is at the bottom. So I want the text to be not on the left of the button, it will be on the outside of the screen, but I want the text to be in the center. So we can type just center. Yep. So yeah, this is the, let me position the button in the center. Alright, I don't want it to be centered here, but I want it to be centered vertically, or horizontally, sorry, horizontally. So click horizontally, click through, and it will be centered horizontally. I don't want to be stuck to the bottom. I want to give it some margin. So I'll type bottom, margin, press enter, and make it 10 dp. So now you can see the button is not stuck to the bottom of the screen. I want the text to be somewhere here. So maybe I can give the text some top margin. Oops. Top select margin. Maybe like 50. Delete this attribute. It's here now. It needs to be below the image, right? So below, and then the name of the image is, I think I might have deleted it by accident. Let's just call the image fire. Oops, fire. So I want it to be below fire by 50 dp as a margin of, the top margin of 50. Yeah. And then I want it to be centered horizontally. Horizontally centered to be true. Yeah. So that's how you manipulate these elements and make a decent looking interface for your users. So yeah. In our next lesson, we'll be moving on to the Java file. For additional help on XML and like how you manipulate and really change the small details of these elements, right? You can Google them. I will not be going through all these details because ultimately this is a beginner's guide on how to code in Java in Android Studios. And even if I did go through all the small elements in how to code these XMLs, right, you'd eventually forget them. So I just went through the major important ones on how to move these elements so that the common ones that you use and you remember. For the other commands, right, you can Google them as they are less common and you forget them even if I told you. So yeah, with that, I'll see you in the next video.